Here in Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates. We're looking at the BYD Shark. This is an electric pickup truck, much like your Rivians, Silverado EVs, F-150 Lightnings, RIP. This is kind of an honor to see this in person. Is it okay if I see the charge port?
You can have this connected.
Okay,
Unless that I just turn off the car. But it's like Tesla, it's regular one.
okay. Like this is much like your Rivians. Looks like we have a button here. Oh. Very nice. This feels a lot like your F-150s, F-150 Lightning, in terms of your traditional pickup truck. Not at all like the Cybertruck. I've driven F-150 Lightnings before, and yeah, this is what it feels like. Just sitting in it, at least. Is this used for both slow and fast charging?
No, only the AC, which is the slow.
This is only for AC. Okay, only for AC charging. Is this capable of DC fast charging?
The DC, this one, yes. This
Okay.
one has support, but don't have DC charge.
Ah. Oh, does this run on gasoline as well?
Yeah, this side,
Oh, okay. I thought it was all electric.
yeah.